guys. Okay, I know I'm in kitchen. It is gonna be another cooking vlog. So today it's gonna be Alfredo pasta. I know it's crazy, but it's my version of Alfredo pasta because I don't put cheese. I don't like that cheesiness. I like creamy, but I don't like cheesiness. So I don't put cheese, and I put like a little Indian touch because I don't like that plain basic old pasta. I personally have little twisted Alfredo pasta. So today I'm gonna show you my version of Alfredo pasta. Do try it out and tell me how it is actually. But now I'm gonna cut everything and get it ready. So I'm gonna do a spaghetti Alfredo pasta. That is my version. So let's get started. Let me put spaghetti for boil. So I'm gonna take a big vessel. Twist the pastas and leave it, and add a little oily oil. The pan is heated. So first I'm gonna sort vegetables. Gonna add butter. This is a little salted butter from Amul. I'm gonna add a pinch. Then I'm gonna add garlic, lots and lots of chopped garlic because I personally love garlic. I'm gonna add onions. I have sliced onions very big, like the big slices of onions, because you should be able to pick it up and eat. I don't like the small onions during the pastas. I'm kind of that person. Capsicum too. Salt. Carrots and tomatoes. I put everything together because I have zero patience. Like zero patience when I'm cooking. So I put everything and sort everything together. I prefer more of veggies than more of pastas. So it's like that. So it's like that. Meanwhile, let's see if the pasta is cooked or what. Now it needs to be a little cooked. So let this cook. semi-boiled corn, American sweet corn. I'm going to add that. Gonna add a pinch of salt. I had put broccoli in hot water. Now I'm gonna take it and put it. Again, butter. I think 20 grams of butter is enough. I think, I don't know, but I've just put. The main problem with me is I don't measure and cook. I just cook randomly. There should be no lumps. To make sure that there is no lumps. And add milk. I've approximately added 400 ml of milk because I love it being creamy. I'm going to off the sauteed vegetables because it's already sauteed. I'm going to test the pasta is ready or not. Okay, it's ready. But still I'm gonna allow it a little for overcooking because I like when it is little soft rather than little unfinished cook. So for I'm gonna give a little twist. So for the sauce, what I do is usually I put red chilies, loads of red chilies. For that spice, and pasta seasoning, like really good amount of pasta seasoning, and I said I'm gonna give my touch. I'm gonna add black pepper. I like when it is like little pepperish, so I'm gonna add black pepper. And allow it boil. It's at the boiling stage. It's a little thick. What I'm going to do is now add sauteed vegetables. I already have a cool down pasta here, so let's add them. The pasta is ready and now it's ready to serve. The pasta is ready and it's ready to begin. I always have my pasta with ginger ale, so yeah. And pasta, good to go.